food district. Right here near the lottery, that is the food district. Across the high street. There you go. So since stranded ako ng ulan, food review lang muna tayo dito sa Poker Shop. Poker Shop. Michelin Award number 2 or number 3. Tikman ko tingnan. Or isa, Michelin siya. Unlike Ding Tai Fung na nasa taas na hindi ko nagustuhan. I'm gonna try the food here. I order platter egg. So kami ang platter egg. With the review of Poker Shop. So, rice nila, I just took the rice. And then, mayonnaise. So, meron sila mga kanin-kanin. So, ihalo ko na siya dito ito. Smile. Space para sa sausaw. Kaugi lang siya. I ordered the platter A. Sa 200 plus na siya. Meron siyang mga sausawan dito pag-ahalo-halo. So I don't know what this is. May herbs, may mantika. Singaporean foods are similar to like Malaysian. It's just a regular soy sauce. Put it here. Ito. Lapot siya. Matamis. Parang siyang oyster sauce. Then they have like marinated egg along with this. Pag-ahalo-halo ko na lang dito yan. Like bubuksan natin ang Michelin. Definitely Michelin, ibang klase lasa. Very right, may mabigat sa kadi. Okay. Galing ako sa mga sauce na chicken. Marinated egg, nilagay ko na dito sa parang soy sauce, oyster sauce and herbs. Let's try to taste. It tastes like egg. Let's see. Pagdating yung kanin na malagdag. Worth yung binayaran? Yes, worth yung binayaran. Medyo kulang yan sa service. It's like I wish it was bigger, so I think an order bigger. different from the regular Chinese food. Has mixed influences. Singapore is like a melting pot. So here I'm gonna conclude my food review for Hawker Chan. Yeah, and try it. The best. Nandito siya sa BJC. Don't know what that's building called. Across the first strip. Yung may mga hologram na sa ilalim. Yeah. I'm gonna show you another video in this place, alright? So the conclusion of the review is like the taste. May ka sa matamis yan. Yun. Medyo matatamis yung pagkain. The sauce, usually, that's what the Singaporean food is. And spicy, pero dito hindi siya spicy. So refresh myself with barley and calamansi. It's included with the meal A. You're just gonna add 30 peso para sa juice instead of soft drinks. And yeah, now I'm gonna show you the place later where to find this. Yeah, so let's go again with another food review. Kung meron akong hanap na gusto ko reviewin. Alright, bye.